let's get into this cupping. And so you want just 1 cup with coffee in it, and then grab another empty cup. We're going to use that for rinsing our spoons. For step 1, dry fragrance, we call it. Pick up your cup, give it a little shake just to wake those grounds up, maybe a tap. Think about what you're smelling. Are you smelling fruitiness? Are you smelling chocolatiness? Are you smelling smokiness? All right, so we're gonna all add our water at the same time. Right away when you add water, what you'll see happen is a little bit of a crust start to form at the top of your glass. So for this part, we're gonna lower our spoon just below the surface of that crust while your head is right over it, and just kind of break up those grounds on top. Smell that aroma that's coming out. So our next step before we start tasting or talking about tasting even is we're gonna clean off this top layer. So you see you've got this light layer of kind of, there's some bubbles there maybe, some oils have floated to the top, maybe some browns even. We're going to just try to scrape those off the top and dump them into our rinse glass just to make it a little bit more pleasant of a tasting experience. So why don't we taste finally? My timer just went off. So we're gonna do something similar to what we did earlier. You're just gonna wanna kind of put your spoon in right past the surface, get it about half to 3/4 full. And then the key here is when you taste the coffee, you're gonna slurp it. Here and so that's a good slurp.
Thank you.
So for those of you doing the tasting, what do you taste? And it's okay to say coffee.
It might just be because I'm thinking about it, but I think I taste like chocolate.
Yeah. I think this coffee is really, really chocolatey. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we have time for maybe one more question?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do one more.
How many cups of coffee do I have to have before it stops tasting like they're all coffee?
That's a great question.